So listen, sis, I don't know if anybody ever told you this, but budget and credit, they go together real bad and they not never breaking up. Welcome to and back to my channel. My name is Lyntrina, your budget better sister, and I show other working mommies how they can gain control over their finances, pay their bills on time, save more money, and overall just make better financial decisions. Now, I also share with you on this channel my real financial numbers, things that I do in my budgeting routine that has allowed me to get the results of having an improved credit score, being able to pay my bills on time, and build up my emergency savings. So I wanted to create this video because I wanted to share with you 4 resources that has allowed me to improve my credit score and my on-time history payments. Now, if you don't know why you're here, it's because you are looking for a way to end that paycheck to paycheck cycle. Right now, you probably have way too many expenses and bills than you have income. Or you start your budgeting journey, but you seem to fall off and you cannot be consistent. I want to invite you to this community, and if you are ready to really embark your financial wellness journey, I want you to go ahead and hit subscribe, like this video, and do not be stingy. Share this information out with another social media mommy, a friend, a family member who can use these budgeting tips and implement in their everyday lifestyle. So let's go ahead and get right into it. You may want to grab you a pen and paper so that you can jot these down. But no worries, sis, I got you. I will put the links in the description for you to get started on rebuilding your credit today. I'm going to be talking about secure credit cards. Now, secure credit cards has been a game changer to people who are experiencing a negative credit score because of late payments, delinquents, collections, and other things of that nature that compiles your credit report. Okay, there is a disclaimer. I am not a credit repair specialist, so please do not ask me in depth about credit questions. But what I do understand is that budget and credit, they go together real bad, and I needed one to leverage the other one. However, I do have an awesome referral, and I will leave that in the link for you to get a free credit analysis so that you can speak with a professional and you guys can come up with a game plan to help you improve your credit score. So I want to talk about secure credit cards, because secure credit cards is really a way to help people who have a negative credit score and not able to get approved for credit limits and things of that nature. It helps you rebuild your credit score and the structure of your credit report. Now, I also want to tell you, here goes a disclaimer. I am not a credit specialist, nor am I a professional, all right? So please do not ask me in-depth questions about credit. I just understand that these two components are better together than divided and apart, because they just don't mix in divorce, okay? They need to be together. So I learned that in order for me to have a good credit, I needed to know how to have a budget, all right? I will leave a referral for you in the description for you to reach out to my personal credit professional who will provide you a free credit analysis, and you guys can talk about your game planning together to help you start achieving some of those goals. So if you're looking to purchase a home, or if you're looking to get a business loan, if you're looking to get a car loan, you want to get someone who's going to assess your credit and then tell you the next steps to take. All right, so let's get back into the 4 resources that help me improve my credit score. So let's talk about what is a secure loan definition wise. Now, I am going to read it off Google so that we have a better understanding of what a secure credit card is. I told you that it's for people who do not have good credit, who need to rebuild and increase their on-time payments and things of that nature. But we're going to take a deep dive into what Google says. So a secure credit card is a type of card that requires a cash deposit to be made on the open account. The deposit acts as collateral for the card issuer and equal to the card's credit limit. So basically what that means is that you will load up this card, say for about $200, and that will be your credit limit. Now, Some companies will allow you to utilize that $200, but a lot of companies are only online banks, so you will not be able to really utilize the funds. You will just be paying it back over time. So if it's $200 that you're choosing for your credit limit, then you can choose to pay $25 a month for about 12 months or 24 months, whatever time duration that you choose, in order to show that you are capable and responsible to make on-time payments. And these companies will report to all three bureaus. Now, let's get into the four companies that I personally have used and that I still use to this day to help me increase and improve my credit score. First, we're going to talk about the Self-Lender loan. Self-Lender is an online bank. It is considered a secure credit card. And what you would do is choose your limit, and you would choose the amount that you can pay per month. You want to make sure that this amount is already calculated in your budget and you're not getting too far ahead of yourself. You will choose the duration of the time that you will pay this money back to the credit company. So let's say, for example, you have a $500 limit. You actually don't have that credit card, but you're going to be making payments to this company until you have reached that $500 limit. And then what the company will do is send you back the check for the $500. So secure credit cards is like you are saving and building your credit at the same time. Tell me, how good does it get? Okay, so you definitely want to make sure that you are leveraging all of the benefits and the features that can help you when you are using these credit cards. Okay, so Self-Lender is one that I like to use. This is my second time using it. I chose my own limit. I chose how much I pay. They do have a yearly fee. That yearly fee, let's check our notes right here, because I'm not going to tell you something that I don't know when I took my notes. So the yearly fee of the Self-Lender is a $25 fee. So you will pay that yearly to utilize this secure credit card and their benefits. They do have an APR of 28.74% when I did my research and checked on the dates. If you don't know what the APR is, it's the annual percentage rate that you will earn on top of your money. So not only are you building up your credit, you are also earning interest money as well. And again, at the end of the term, you will be given that $500 either via check or direct deposit, and you can reallocate the funds either to saving or to pay off debt. At least that's what I'm doing. So when I am done with the term of the secure card, I am going to take that money that they deposit into my account to one of my savings goals or to pay off some debt that I want to knock down. So this is why I like this benefit as well, because I also was increasing my credit score so that I can be able to leverage that credit the way that I need to in the future. So let's go ahead and talk about the second secure credit card. Make sure that you add her to your credit profile so that you can get some more points. So you can get some more points as soon as possible. And like as soon as you open it up, they will start reporting within 30 days. So if you are looking for a quick way to gain some points on your credit report, then Ava is the way to go. Lastly, we got my Kovo credit. Now, I love Kovo because it is also a secure credit card utilized on the platform. However, it is only $10 a month. Yep, you heard me. $10 a month that you will have to pay to reach that credit limit, and then you're going to receive the funds back while also increasing the credit score. Like, I cannot stress how dope that is enough. Like, you get to save money and increase your credit score at the same time. Like, it's really dope. It's a good habit to start having because you're going to be putting these budgets into your weekly budget, your monthly budget, so that you can make sure you are paying them, because the goal is to save money, but it also should have a goal to increase your credit score as well. It's $10 per month, and they report to all three credit bureaus. Now, I love Kovo because it will show you what your actual FICO score is. So if you're looking to become a home owner and you need to keep track of your credit score, it tells you your FICO number, which is what most home lenders would look at, is that FICO score. So Kovo allows you to see what your FICO score is while only paying $10 a month. There's no yearly fees, no monthly charges, no interest fees or anything like that. So that is also a good way to go ahead and improve your credit score and the on-time history in your report. If you are looking for a different option, you're not too sure if you want to do things online, or you're looking to start building a relationship with your financial institution, which is your bank, you want to reach out to them and ask them, do they have any products to help you improve your credit score? And they will help you and give you the resources because they want you to utilize their products, and they want to be able to give you money because that's how they make money. Okay, so those are some things that helped me along my journey, things that I still utilize to this day to make sure that I am working on my credit, because I do have some big goals coming within the next year, and it does require me to have a decent credit score with on-time history, payments, and things of that nature. So these are some things that I have done, and I wanted to share it with you because you might be looking for a way to improve your credit as well. I know what it feels like to be declined or denied for credit because my credit score was just terrible, or denied housing or certain cars that I wanted to have because I did not have that credit score. So this is why my credit goals are very important, because I need credit to live a certain lifestyle that I want to live, and I need to know how to leverage it. So I wanted to share it with you so that you can get started as well. If you are looking to improve your credit score, this is where you start. So it will be in the description, and you can do your research, do your due diligence, and read behind these companies. I'm telling you that these companies are very reputable. They're known credit repair specialists. They always refer out these companies to help you improve your credit score. So take the information as you will, do with it as you please. And until your girl uploads the next video, I want to wish you well on your budgeting journey. And don't forget, just come on and budget better.